Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today, as you can see, we're in a brand new scene here, and that's because this is all about the Chinese New Year special. Now we're going to be checking out a couple of newly released smartphones that's bound to make your Chinese New Year much more fun, cheerful, and most importantly, more on. Alright, so before we begin this video, I just want to say a happy Chinese New Year, 恭喜发财 to everyone who is celebrating. I've even brought a couple of my friends today with me in this video to make it more fun. So let's begin and check out these smartphones. Alright, so first up, we all know that during the festive season, especially Chinese New Year, you definitely want to go and take a lot of photos and most importantly, upload them to social media, photos of yourself, OOTDs, friends and families and all that. Well, for this situation, I recommend the newly launched Vivo V23 E5G as it comes with a 44 megapixel front-facing camera with autofocus that makes sure every time you take a photo with your friends or family, everyone will look amazing. Besides that, the Vivo V23 E5G also comes in an amazing looking design and color that will definitely be a head-turner during Chinese New Year. Sweet! Now, I know that Chinese New Year to some are a little bit different from others. For those of you who prefer to stay in and binge watch TV shows, check out Chinese New Year ads, or maybe just play games with your friends, I'd like to recommend the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. Now, this is one of Samsung's most popular A-series smartphone that comes with a ton of power that you can use to play all kinds of games. The best part is, with the large 6.5-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED display, you'll also be able to enjoy all your favorite Chinese New Year content on a large crystal clear display. Now, last but not least, for all those of you who are not able to make it back to your hometowns, don't worry. You can still stay connected with your loved ones wherever you are with video calls. That extra personal touch will without doubt allow both you and your loved ones to feel more connected and enjoy the spirit of Chinese New Year better. So just in case you're wondering, the Oppo A95 you see here also comes with a 5000 mAh battery and smart AI that automatically adjusts the screen brightness so you don't have to worry about power running out during those long video calls. So at the end of the day, whether you are uploading content to social media, playing games, streaming content, or even just making video calls, always make sure that you are supported with a fast and reliable network like Maxis through its 5G ready postpaid plans, especially since most of these phones that I just shown you are 5G phones. Now, what's even better is with Maxis biggest sale in conjunction with Chinese New Year, you can pick up any of these phones that you just saw with up to 90% off for 100% on. You can choose from more than 30 different kind of phones on any Maxis postpaid plans, with some going for just 1 ringgit. Did you also know that all the phones purchased via Maxis comes with a free 3 months damage and theft protection? Well, what are you waiting for? Find out more in the links below or just search for Maxis biggest sale. Now, before I go, I just want to say one last time, Happy Chinese New Year to all of you and Happy Holidays. Stay safe everybody. Bye!